But before I tell y'all what reaction that is, you know what I need y'all to do? You need to slam the red subscription button, turn the bell all the way. Great.
Right now.
Slam that thumbs up for us, y'all. Give us a jingle of that on Instagram and on TikTok. We're about to do a reaction to the fabulous, one and only Vanny
Vabiola.
Doing Making Love
out of nothing
at all.
Is that possible? And you like forming love?
Well, Vanny about to tell us how to do it.
We're about to find out.
And it's a cover by Air Supply. Well, no.
Air Supply cover.
It's an Air Supply cover, yes, by Vanny. Oh,
can't wait. Let's see what she does.
Just marvelous.
I know just how to whisper. I know just how to cry. I know just where to find answers, and I know just how to lie.
I love this song, by the way.
I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to try.
Oh my goodness, I love, oh my goodness, I don't even know where to start. Okay, so I love the simplicity of her videos. I have said this in a previous videos, how much I love simple videos where the artist and the artist's voice is the main thing, is the principle, is that thing in the video.
Just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme.
Oh, come on, Vanny.
Just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream.
Wow, Vanny, you never fails to amaze me with that voice. Wow. I couldn't find the right adjective that can really best describes the performance that rendition cover song.
Wow, beautiful, 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 beautiful cover.
This sad part is right here.
And she does this to me every time. She's so breathtaking. And one thing I really love about her is just her eyes, man. Like she just looks up and she's singing. She has this gaze is just so hypnotizing.
And I don't know how you do it. And I know the night is fading. And I know the time's gonna fly. And I'm never gonna tell everything I'm gonna tell, but I know that the money gonna be bright. I've gotta follow it, 'cause everything I know, well, it's nothing till I give it to you.
Woo! So good.
I loved Vanny. The intensity is there, guys. The flow, the power of her voices.
Oh my goodness, I love, oh my goodness, I don't even know where to start. Okay, so I love the simplicity of her videos. I have said this in a previous videos, how much I love simple videos where the artist and the artist's voice is the main thing, is the principle, is that thing in the video.
What a beautiful, beautiful, pretty voice she has. Magnificent voice. Golly, that's a nice voice. I can't get enough of that voice. Love it.
And I'm never gonna make it like you do. Making love out of living out of living
Oh my goodness. So guys, there you have it from one of the prides of Indonesia, no other than Vanny Vabiola for this song, Making Love Out of Nothing at All by the band Air Supply. If I will rate the performance without questioning, without a doubt, I will give this a perfect 10. Everything that I saw, heard, watched, listened, and witnessed was mere perfection from Vanny Vabiola, and I got to say that I did really enjoy the performance. Even if this song really made me so emotional and heartfelt, I can feel everywhere the
I love her outfit so much with those flowers, and it's so beautiful. And that color really suits her.
Oh my god! Oh! Wow!
Every time I see you on the rest of the sun, out of streaming through the waves in your head. Every time I see you on the rest of the sun, out of streaming through the waves in your head.
Oh my goodness. Ah, so beautiful.
Let me know in the comments below how y'all were affected by this. Let me know if y'all were shedding tears as well. This is powerful, and I love. It's such a classic song too. Like everybody's heard this song. Everybody knows this song. And now my eyes are watery. He's fogging up my glasses. I can't see. Got the light behind the camera, just blinding me.